What data is provided? Part 2. In this module, we will look at examples of the reports outside of the Group Reports for Teachers package. New to CAT4, we have introduced reports for both the student and the student's parent or carer. Here, ability levels are given for the 4 parts, batteries of CAT4. Bars represent the score level, but actual standard age scores and other statistical data are not given. The summary contains narrative generated from the student's learning bias and standard age score levels. It is written in a form suitable to suggest next steps and clear, helpful descriptions for the student and, in this example, parents. It is clear that the more we can actively engage all stakeholders in the learning process, the better. This report is particularly useful for parents, whether their child has just taken part in the admissions process for a school or they are in the school and receiving feedback on their child's CAT4 performance. Within the Senior Leaders Report and presentation, all the demographic data is displayed for the cohort. The monitoring of the performance of special focus groups is vital for identifying gaps. Obviously, this must be referenced to the student's ability. These graphs rely on fields being populated in the CSV bulk upload file. EAL tracking may be useful if your school has large numbers of EAL students. It may be helpful to have a breakdown by nationality or other custom field. At Key Stage 2, cohort data is presented for the important subject areas required at the end of the primary phase. Here also, we are now showing the percentage of the cohort likely to achieve the old Level 4B, which is now linked to the new expected level of performance at the end of Key Stage 2. It should be remembered that this data represents likely levels based on previous similarly scoring students and will need to be considered with professional knowledge of the individuals making up the group. Key performance data is displayed here using grades. However, GCSE number levels is an alternative form. Data should be seen as benchmarking and the context of school and individual issues taken into account.